In this video, I will explain how only stretching for a couple of days fucked up my legs for a short period of time. And there are two things I did. One is static stretching, when you are just holding the position and you sit in it for a while, whether it's for the arms, it's for the legs, for the hips, ankles, doesn't matter. This is static stretching. And the second thing is foam rolling. So this is the foam roller, and you use it by rolling your muscles, mostly used for the legs. And don't get me wrong, both of these things are great, but those two things are a great addition to your training. That's it, exactly, for the training. They shouldn't be the priority. You shouldn't do first the rolling and then focus on the training. This is the mistake I made. You should first focus on the training to actually stimulate your muscles, and then but then afterwards, if you are feeling tired or if you feel that you are too tight in your body, you can perform static stretching and you can perform foam rolling. What worked the best for me before I was abusing, let's say, the stretching and foam rolling was, number one, only doing static stretching in the evening before going to bed for around, 10 to 15 minutes. And it worked wonders for me. And with foam rolling, I was always doing it, let's say, the next day after the workout, whenever I felt super tired in the muscles. And it's good that way, because foam rolling can stimulate blood flow in your muscles so they can recover more quickly. But then I decided to abuse them because of the running. I felt some pain in my hips, and I decided to, do some more stretching, maybe because I was too tight in the hip. And actually I was stretching too much. I wasn't doing too much exercise. That made my hip painful. But in the end, I was doing too much stretching and foam rolling. So my muscles were, only being stretched and rolled, and they weren't used, to create the power to actually flex those muscles. This is the lesson for you from this video. You should first focus on stimulating the muscle. Use the muscle. Go to the gym. Go for a run. Go, bike. Go swim. Go hike in the mountains. Whatever it is that you like to do, go stimulate the muscle. Use those muscles. And then focus on stretching. Those are great things and additions to your workout. But once again, first focus on the strength training. Focus on stimulating the muscle first. The first link in the description is my mailing list. Go join it right now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.